Sanbonani, Bafuni, hello grade 3s. We are on our last week of the term. Ngiyajabula, ngiyathemba nawe uyajabula. Ngoba sonke sikhathele, mina ngikhathele. For this week, we're just going to learn 3 clicking sounds that we have in Zulu. So we have C, Q, and X. So you know these letters, but you don't click them like we do in Zulu. So this week, we're just going to practice to click those 3 clicking sounds. So the first one that we are going to focus on, it is C. So we click C like, and then the next one that we are going to practice, it is Q. Q, it goes like, and then the next one is X. So X, it goes like, so we are going to learn these letters one by one. So like today, we're just going to learn about C. We're going to practice C. And kusasa, tomorrow, we'll practice Q. And then on Friday, on the last day, we are going to practice X. Okay, so I am going to tell you, or I'm going to explain to you how do you pronounce C. So when you pronounce C or when you sound C, you need to put your tongue on top of the roof of your mouth. Okay, like, or you can just put your tongue behind your top front teeth. So when you sound C, you sound it like when someone maybe fell or someone is feeling, someone got hurt, you're just feeling sorry for them. And then you say to them, that's how you sound C. So I am going to sound C 4 times. Please listen carefully, because to listen, it is very important. So you will know how do we sound them. Okay, listen, and then after that, practice to sound them or repeat after me, because practicing, it is the best way to learn. Okay, we are going to sound C together. Okay, this is how we sound C in Zulu. So now we are going to learn to sound C with the vowels. Do you remember our vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So now we are going to practice to sound C with the vowels next to it. Okay, it goes like this. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Again, futhi, ta, te, ti, to, tu. Remember, your tongue is where? On top of the roof of your mouth or behind your front teeth. Okay, so now I want you to sound it after me. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Good job. So now we are going to look at the words that has C or T. So the first one here is tula. Tula. Say with me. Tula. Tula, it means sing. And the other one is tabanga. Tabanga. Tabanga means think. Don't stop to put your tongue on top of the roof of your mouth. And then here we have tela. Tela. Tela is to ask for something in the polite way, or is to request. And the last one we have here, this is the popular one. Icici. Icici means earring. Okay, so that's it, grade 3s. Please don't stop practicing this clicking sound. See, remember, where's your tongue? Put your tongue where? On top of the roof of your mouth or behind your top front teeth. Okay. Ngiyabonga. Salani kahle. Ngizonibona kusasa.